Welcome to Soundline English. Welcome, my dear friends. This lesson is perfect for English beginners. Don't worry, I'll use slow, clear, and simple vocabulary. So sit back, relax, and let's improve your English together. And remember, you can pause, repeat, and practice whenever you want. Let's get started. Hi, everyone. It's Lucy again. Today, I want to talk about something very special to me. I want to tell you about my favorite subject at school. Can you guess what it is? My favorite subject is art. Yes, I love art class so much. Do you like art too? Art is creative and fun and colorful. I feel very happy when I am in art class. We have art class 2 times every week, on Tuesday and Thursday. When I wake up on Tuesday morning, I feel excited because I know we have art today. It is the best day. Let me tell you why I love art class. First, in art class, we can be creative. Creative means we can make our own ideas. We can use our imagination. I have a very big imagination. Second, there are no wrong answers in art. If I draw a purple tree, that is okay. If I paint a pink sky, that is okay too. Everything is possible in art. That is amazing, right? In art class, we learn many different things. We learn about colors, we learn about shapes, we learn about famous artists from history. It is interesting and fun at the same time. Our art teacher is Ms. Rose. She is very kind and patient. Patient means she helps us when we need time to learn something new. She never gets angry if we make mistakes. Ms. Rose has long, curly, red hair. She always wears colorful clothes. Today, she is wearing a green dress with yellow flowers. She looks like a painting herself. Miss Rose always says, "There is an artist inside every child." I like that. It makes me feel special. She believes in us. Do you have a teacher who believes in you? She teaches us to look at the world differently. She says, "Artists see things that other people do not see." So now I look at everything carefully. I notice colors, shapes, and patterns everywhere. Now let me show you our art classroom. It is my favorite place in the whole school. The walls are covered with student artwork. I can see paintings, drawings, and crafts everywhere. We have many art supplies in our classroom. Art supplies are the things we use to make art. We have paints, brushes, crayons, colored pencils, markers, paper, glue, scissors, and more. My favorite art supplies are watercolor paints. Watercolors are beautiful. When you add water, the colors mix together and create new colors. It is like magic. I also love using colored pencils. I have a big set with 48 different colors. I can color very carefully with pencils. They help me make small details in my drawings. In art class, we do many different activities. Sometimes we draw with pencils or crayons. Sometimes we paint with brushes. Sometimes we make things with clay. Clay is soft, and you can shape it with your hands. Last week, we learned about primary colors. Do you know what primary colors are? They are red, yellow, and blue. These are very special colors because you cannot make them by mixing other colors. But guess what? You can mix primary colors to make new colors. If you mix red and yellow, you get orange. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. Isn't that wonderful? We did an experiment in class. Miss Rose gave us only red, yellow, and blue paint. Then we tried to make as many colors as possible. I made orange, green, purple, brown, and even pink. It was so much fun. This week, we are learning about shapes: circles, squares, triangles, rectangles. We are making pictures using only shapes. I am making a house with squares and triangles. I am making a sun with a circle. I am making trees with triangles. I want to show you some of my artwork. This is a painting I made 2 weeks ago. It is a picture of my family at the beach. Can you see? This is me, this is my mom, this is my dad, and this is my little brother. I used many colors in this painting. The sky is blue and white. The sand is yellow and brown. The ocean is blue and green. Our skin is peach color. I worked very hard on this painting. Miss Rose put a gold star on my painting. Gold stars means excellent work. I felt so proud when I saw that gold star. I took my painting home and my mom put it on our refrigerator. Now everyone in my family can see my artwork every day. When I look at it, I remember that happy day at the beach. Art can bring back memories. That is another reason why I love art. In art class, we also learn about famous artists. Famous artists are people who made beautiful art many years ago. Their art is in museums now. People from all over the world go to see their art. We learned about Vincent van Gogh. He was a painter from a country called the Netherlands. He painted beautiful pictures with very bright colors and thick paint. His most famous painting is called The Starry Night. The Starry Night shows a night sky with swirling stars and a bright moon. It is magical. When I saw it in our art book, I said, "Wow! It looks like the stars are moving." Miss Rose told us that Vincent van Gogh was not rich when he was alive. People did not buy his paintings, but he never stopped painting because he loved art. That teaches us an important lesson. Do what you love, even if it is difficult. We also learned about Frida Kahlo. She was a painter from Mexico. She painted many self-portraits. A self-portrait is when you paint a picture of yourself. Frida Kahlo was very brave and strong. Right now, I am working on a special project for art class. We are making a poster about our favorite season. I am making a poster about spring. Why do I love spring? Because in spring, flowers bloom. The trees have new green leaves. Baby animals are born. Everything is colorful and new. Spring makes me happy. For my poster, I am drawing many flowers: tulips, daisies, roses, and sunflowers. I am using my colored pencils to make them bright and pretty. I am also drawing butterflies and birds. This project is taking me a long time because I want it to be perfect. But that is okay. Miss Rose says good art takes time. I am being patient and careful. I work on my poster a little bit every day. So that is why art is my favorite subject. In art class, I can be creative. I can express myself. Express means to show your feelings and ideas. When I make art, I show who I am. Art class makes me feel calm and happy. When I am drawing or painting, I forget about everything else. I am focused on my artwork. It is peaceful and relaxing. Also, art class teaches me to be patient and to keep trying. Sometimes my artwork does not look the way I want, but I do not give up. I try again. I learn from my mistakes. That is how we improve. Do you know what? Everyone can be an artist. You do not need special talent. You just need to try. Start with simple things. Draw a flower. Paint a rainbow. Make a picture of your pet or your family. What about you, my English learning friends? What is your favorite subject at school? Do you like art too? Or do you like math, science, music, or sports? Tell me in the comments. I want to know what you love. And if you like art, tell me, what is your favorite thing to draw or paint? What colors do you like to use? Do you have a favorite famous artist? Share with me. Remember, being creative is important. It helps your brain grow. It helps you solve problems. It makes life more beautiful and fun. So pick up a pencil or a brush and create something today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned some new English words about art. See you in my next video. Keep learning, keep creating, and keep smiling. Bye-bye.